Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you are very well and studying home very well. Our today's lecture is of Oxford Progressive English Level 6. Let's start our lecture. Unit number 5, Sights and Sounds. This is a poem, A Blind Man. It is about a blind man to whom this world is colorless and to whom there is only one season that is black. In this poem, the poet presents the life of a blind man who is stuck with his stick, who is unable to enjoy the beauty of nature, nature's creature, colors, and life. In the following poem, the poet describes the sensation of a blind man walking through a wood in an autumn October. In the UK, autumn is the season when the leaves turn from green to bright reds and yellows. As you can see in this picture, here are leaves colored red and yellow and fall from the trees. The days become shorter and are often damp and cold, and the paths in the woods are covered with fallen leaves. As you can see, the whole path is covered with fallen leaves. A blind man in the forest lanes feels with his sticks the way to go. October's falling sunlight stains in deeper red and leaves below. He does not see the squirrels leap from branch to branch above his head, the leaf that joins the wrinkled heap. The squirrel's springing feet have shed, yet in his shuttered, hueless room. In this poem, shuttered hueless room जो है उसकी आइज़ को कहा गया है, जिसमें कोई कलर नहीं है. Why? Because he is blind. Whose single season has no day. उसका single season क्या है, जिसमें कोई दिन नहीं है. The images of autumn come with scent of nature's moist decay, and he with quickened thought divines the sun-fired alleys mile around the beaches in their burning lanes, the drift of embers to the ground. This poem has been written by John Lehman. John Lehman in this poem describes the problems of a blind man, describes the journey of life of a blind man. Now, words meaning: scent, perfume, fragrance; moist, wet, below, at a lower level; drift, carried by air or water current; ember, a small piece of burning coal. How does the blind man find his way? He found his way with the white stick. What is happening in the forest that he cannot see? The squirrels are jumping from one tree to another. He can just hear their sounds and imagine how are they climbing and moving. Why is there only a season in the blind man's room? He cannot see, that's why everything is black for him. Therefore, his room has only the season of darkness. I hope students you will understand this poem. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment box. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.